Have you ever wondered why the universe seems so alive, so vibrant, so restless? This sense of liveliness, this sense of constant movement is more than just an impression. It's a fundamental truth of existence. The ancient text, the Kabbalion, captures this beautifully. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This is the principle of vibration, a law of the universe that acknowledges the ceaseless motion of all things. From the tiniest particle to the grandest galaxy, from the subtlest thought to the most profound emotion, everything is in a state of constant vibration. The differences we perceive between matter and energy, between mind and spirit, largely arise from variations in the rate of these vibrations. The universe, in essence, is a vast symphony of vibrations, each playing its part in a cosmic dance. Understanding this dance, this principle of vibration, is key to grasping the true nature of reality. The principle of vibration is the key to understanding this universal dance. The principle of vibration encapsulates the truth that everything is in motion, everything vibrates, nothing is at rest. This profound idea, though ancient, finds resonance in the discoveries and validations of modern science. It was first articulated by the wise masters of ancient Egypt thousands of years ago, and it remains as relevant today as it was then. So, what does this principle really mean? At its core, it tells us that everything in the universe, from the pure spirit to the grossest form of matter, is in a state of vibration. This vibration isn't random or chaotic, it follows an incredible spectrum. At one end of this spectrum is the pure spirit. Its vibrations are so intense, so rapid, that they appear to be at rest, much like a wheel spinning so fast that it seems motionless. On the other end of the spectrum, we find the most gross forms of matter. These vibrational frequencies are so low, so slow that they too appear to be at rest. But don't be fooled. Even these gross forms are in a state of subtle, persistent motion. Between these two extremes lies an astonishing range of vibrations. Visualize it as a grand cosmic orchestra, with each instrument playing its unique note. From the smallest electron to the largest galaxy, from the faintest whisper of energy to the most powerful force, each has its own vibrational frequency. And it's not just physical matter and energy that vibrate. The mental plane too is subject to this principle. Our thoughts, emotions, desires, they all have their own vibrations. Understanding this principle is like having the key to a treasure chest. It allows us to comprehend the fundamental nature of the universe and our place within it. It gives us the tools to control our own mental vibrations and influence those of others. The variance in vibration rates gives rise to the myriad manifestations we see around us. From the microcosm to the macrocosm, the principle of vibration is the symphony of the universe, and we are all part of this grand cosmic dance. The principle of vibration doesn't stop at the physical world. It extends to our mental states as well. Just as matter and energy are in a constant state of vibratory motion, so too are our thoughts and emotions. Each thought, each feeling, each mental state that we experience vibrates at its own unique frequency. These vibrations, although invisible to the naked eye, are as real and consequential as those of the physical world around us. Imagine, if you will, the mind as a vast, infinite ocean. Each thought, each emotion is like a ripple on the surface of this ocean, creating vibrations that spread outwards, influencing the overall state of the mind. A positive thought filled with love and kindness vibrates at a high frequency, its ripples spreading joy and harmony. Conversely, a negative thought, clouded by anger or fear, vibrates at a lower frequency, its ripples spreading discord and unrest. This understanding of the mental plane as a field of vibrations opens up a new perspective on our internal landscapes. It brings forth the realization that just like a musician can tune his instrument, we can tune our minds. We can choose to cultivate thoughts and emotions that vibrate at higher frequencies, thus promoting mental well-being and inner peace. Learning to control our mental vibrations is not an easy task. It requires practice, patience, and a deep understanding of the self. It is a journey of self-discovery where we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, to understand their vibratory nature, and to gently guide them towards higher frequencies. In this process, we become the masters of our minds. We learn to steer our thoughts and emotions rather than being steered by them. We gain the ability to create a mental state that is in harmony with our highest selves and in tune with the vibratory nature of the universe. By mastering your mental vibrations, you can steer the ship of your mind. Beyond the physical and mental, the principle of vibration reaches into the spiritual realm. In our exploration of the principle of vibration, we have journeyed through the physical and mental planes, but our understanding would be incomplete without stepping into the spiritual realm. This is the plane of existence where vibrations reach their pinnacle, the highest rates of vibration possible. These spiritual vibrations are intriguing, as they are often perceived as being at rest. This might seem paradoxical, but it is a testament to their rapidity. The vibrations on the spiritual plane are so intense, so rapid, that they appear motionless. It's akin to how a spinning wheel, when reaching a certain speed, can appear to be standing still. The spiritual plane is a realm of high-frequency vibrations. It is where the essence of everything that exists in the physical and mental planes originates. It's the realm of the divine, of the purest form of energy. From the spiritual plane, these high-frequency vibrations ripple outwards, manifesting as thoughts in the mental plane, and then as physical matter in our tangible world. But how does one perceive these spiritual vibrations? It is through the quieting of the mind and the opening of the heart. It is through meditation, prayer, and moments of profound peace and stillness. In these moments, we can align ourselves with these higher vibrations and feel a sense of unity with the universe, a sense of oneness with all that is. The spiritual plane is not some distant ethereal realm, but rather, it is interwoven with our everyday existence. It is the undercurrent of all life, the silent melody that plays beneath the cacophony of our physical world. And it is through understanding and attuning to these spiritual vibrations that we can begin to transcend the limitations of our physical existence and tap into the limitless potential of our true spiritual selves. The spiritual plane, thus, is a realm of high-frequency vibrations, often perceived as a state of profound stillness. The one who understands the principle of vibration holds a scepter of power. Now let's ponder on this powerful statement. This principle of vibration, an ancient wisdom, is more than just a philosophical concept. It's an actionable truth that can have profound effects on our lives. When you grasp its essence and apply it, you're not just understanding the world around you, you're actively influencing it. It's like learning a new language, a universal language of frequency and resonance. Consider this. The masters of ancient times didn't just understand vibrations, they harnessed them. They recognized that everything from the smallest particle to the grandest celestial body vibrates. They knew that these vibrations weren't random, but rather they followed specific patterns and rhythms. Understanding these patterns was akin to learning the melody of the universe, but they didn't stop there. The masters took this understanding a step further. They applied it, using it to shape their thoughts, their actions, and their destinies. They knew that by consciously altering their own vibrational state, they could influence not just their own lives, but the world around them. They used vibrations to heal, to manifest, to create harmony and balance. Now just imagine the power that comes with this understanding. It's like being handed the steering wheel of your own life, being given the ability to navigate your own path. You're no longer a passive spectator in the grand scheme of things, you're an active participant. The masters of old recognized this power. They held the scepter of control, guiding their lives with the wisdom of the principle of vibration. And they were not unique or special in this ability. We all have the potential to understand and apply this principle. We all have the chance to grasp this scepter of power. So as we journey through life, let's strive to understand this principle. Let's work to align our vibrations with those of the universe, to harness the power that comes with this understanding, because in the end, understanding the principle of vibration is akin to holding a key to the universe. As we move through life, we are part of a universal symphony of vibrations. Every heartbeat, every thought, every atom in our bodies, and the cosmos itself is humming with this resonant energy. We are not separate entities, but interconnected through this principle of vibration, forming a grand tapestry of existence. Imagine a web, each thread vibrating at its own frequency, yet all a part of the same design. The universe is this web, and we are the threads. This understanding can enhance our lives, bringing a deeper sense of connection and purpose. We are not mere spectators in the cosmic dance, but active participants, contributing our own unique rhythm and resonance. By tuning into the vibration of the universe, we can align our energies, inspire our minds, and elevate our spirits. This is the power of understanding vibration. This is the essence of our existence. Remember, as you navigate your path, you are part of the universal dance of vibration.